Hello all, welcome to Lombari Cloud YouTube channel. Today I will be presenting in this blog how to rewrite manifest file in Iceberg table. So this is part of Iceberg maintenance. We need to do various the table maintenance procedures, and one is rewrite manifest file. I will be walk through here today and then explain step by step procedure why we need to do that and what is the process and the advantages and all that stuff. Okay, and so very quickly I'm going to let's get into our demo. Okay, as you all aware, the meta layer. We have metadata file which is JSON in explaining the current state of the table or helps for time travel. Then manifest it, which is a snapshot, and then manifest file, where it shows where the data files are located. So as a query process, um, you know, we 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 walk through meta file, manifest list, and manifest file, then gets into the corresponding data files. Basically, manifest file, has the location of the data files. So what are manifests? Manifests are files that contain metadata about data files in Iceberg table. That means the file name, the location of the direct location. That information is available in the manifest file. So it provides a console view of data files, including the location, size, and other attributes. So we know what partitions it has, what is location of the files, and all the consolidated of data files, um, which are attached to snapshots. Okay, and so of course, why easy data access, right? We will know which file is located where. We go directly to that particular directory. So definitely it helps the query performance. Okay. What are the components of the manifest? It has the file location, size, and partitioning information, and also it has a checksum. Okay. So why we need the checksum? Basically, it prevents manual changes, right? So then we don't want to do manual change. Then checksum will fail, then that file will be corrupted. So we don't want to modify it. So it detects the corruption. Okay. And also, of course, they eventually identify which snapshot it belongs to, right? Then it helps us to walk through detailed history. Okay. So when we do frequent updates, right, and then what happens is we keep adding more manifest file because also based on the cover more, we will create new files and then those files may be in a different location of the disk and then these manifest files keep adding. So in order to get access, right, some data in some files, some data is in different files of the same locality related data. For example, I'm looking for data from the state of Illinois, then instead of a few files, it may have to go through many files. So then, it creates too many, manifest files. That means too many manifest files means we have to, it adds the read process because you have to open the file, read the file, close the file, and then, it impacts the performance. So basically, because of these many small or even bigger, but many files, impacts the query plan. Okay, then so we suggest basically the Iceberg part of runbook. You should build a procedure running in a particular time period of time based on your table. Based on your um, the DML statement, data manipulation, right? Instead of these leads, and then you have to do this the file rewrite. Okay. Um, so when you combine all these, right, into one big file, then it helps you the file pruning quickly, and thereby enhance the performance, right? So why are we rewrite? Of course, storage optimization, right? Then eventually when we do expired, these small manifest files will removed. Then definitely faster query performance, and then data management point of view is relevant data together, locality. So when we rewrite, then these manifest files, let's say for example, state of Illinois, we distributed many manifest files, maybe will be combined together, and then it will if query access process improves better. Okay. Of course, we save storage, and because we're gonna eventually too many small files become one big file, and then we will expire later. The query performance, as we keep telling again and again. So um, then keep in mind when we write this manifest, is if you are not doing data files rewrite, you should do at least manifest rewrite. As part of data files rewrite, manifest file automatically rewritten, right? But if you're not doing the data files, some reason you don't need to do. If your files are already have optimal files, then you should at least should do the manifest file rewrite. Okay. Um, Okay. And what are the rewrite policies? Just set some time period, right? How often you want to do it and what is your retention. And then it also part of your expiration of snapshots. Generally, what we do is we will expire snapshot based on your time travel. Then, we will do rewrites, if you have to, updates and deletes, and then based on cover more. Then at the same time, then, and the rewrite of data files is very expensive in terms of process time and the whole in terms of process resources and also time. But rewrite of manifest will be faster as compared to rewrite of data file. So you should be doing more often manifest file rewrite. Then maybe do partition based data file rewrite. But if I keep writing too often data file rewrite, we need to go back and check your table properties. Okay. So if you look at here, before rewrite manifest, right? Standard, we have, metadata JSON, metadata two, snapshot one, snapshot two, snapshot three, current snapshot. Then, these are this manifest list file and manifest list file pointing to manifest files and manifest file, pointing to location of the files. And then this is how min max values and then snapshot ID location. So this is how, then if you look at here, there are too many manifest files. Based on your insert, update, delete, whichever. So when you rewrite, what we do is we're going to create a bigger manifest file. Then, of course, they're all pointing to the same data files because we have not changed the data files. We will not be changing the data files anyhow, and we're not doing any rewrites here. So whatever the data here are consolidated into this manifest file. So you may ask, okay, why can't we combine these? Right? Why don't we combine this one as one file, combine this as one file? No, because if you combine, we lose time travel, right? So this is the current, we care about current query, quick access, current query quick access. But if you want to do time travel, yes, you need these snapshots and these manifest files. Of course, if you do expire, yeah, some of the snapshot and these manifest files are gone, but of course not data files. This is how before and after, right? Before, there are many manifest files. Yeah, then you have to read it, too many. But here you will be reading only one. Then it knows location of the files. This is how uh, rewrite manifest will help. How often an expire manifest based on data usage patterns, and then you need to define the duration of retaining manifest before expire. Best practice, periodically review manifest history and then automate the process, right? So the goal basically is very simple, right? Combine these manifests into one big manifest. That's all we are here. And we are not deleting it. These are delete only part of expire. And then this is faster. Just reading only manifest level. It's not going to touch here. Of course, since we read the manifest file, we have to put in the snapshot. Okay. So let's do the demo, right? So here I'm going to, I have a table, then, um, right? And look at my directory structure of the table. I have metadata directory. Then if you look at, I have a lot of manifest files, right? These are manifest files. These are not snapshot. Then the snapshot start with SNAP, right? These are snapshots, right? So a lot of manifest files, right? And let's check the history and the history of the snapshots. Um, okay, let's look at the history, and then we will see what are the snapshots. I'm doing the, maybe I will do um, current data is better to latest one is better, right? And let's run again. So these are the recent snapshot, right? These are history. Then let's check the manifest files again. Um, so this is I just rewrote. That's why if you look at this most recent manifest file, right? The If you look at here manifest, right? It's showing the most recent one, right? And if you then go back to history again, we have this other history. So how we do rewrites, right? Yeah, so basically all you have to do is just call this procedure, rewrite manifest, let's run it. Okay. So now if you look at it, there's nothing to rewrite because I already completed. So what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to insert a lot of data, right? And I'm going to run insert into, right, insert into Iceberg table, right? And insert into Iceberg table, and then do select star from. I'm going to reinsert again, same data again and again. And then I want to create more insert into Iceberg. Select star, right? Let's insert. Right. So I'm creating more manifest files, and of course, a lot of data files too. Right. Okay. Let's run it, and I'm going to insert one more. Right. So I'm going to insert, maybe 3 4 inserts. Okay. I'm just inserting. Nothing more fancy. Now let's look at again one more time history. Right. Okay. So let's run the history, back to history here. Okay. Added more manifests. Snapshots, right? And then of course, let's run this, rewrite the manifest. Okay, what happens? Okay, so now look at this one, right? So we took the most recent file and then created one more, one new, um, um, the manifest file. Now let's remember here, right? This is the 529 at the end, start ends with 6529. This is a snapshot I did previously before manifest rewrite. Then let's rerun again. Okay, now you had a different snapshot because we need a time travel. So what we did is we combined all this into one file, and this is a new snapshot. But I can go back and then still they're still there in the on the disk, but right. So rewrite will not remove of these manifest fields because of the time travel, and then we will delete this one as part of expiration, snapshot expiration. So I will walk through that demo later. Okay, so now let's say, if I rerun again, there's nothing to combine, so that's why it's 0 0, right? This is how you combine the manifest files, and then then if you look at here, yeah, you can see the history of all these the JSON files. Yeah, if you see the most recent one here, because it's pretty new current JSON, and then we saw the manifest, and then the let's run the manifest. Okay, so yes, there's only one file, right? So you will have previously I have a lot of manifests, right? Now let me show you. Okay, what I mean is a lot of manifests. Okay, I'm going to load again. Let's load the data one more time. So okay, let's insert. Here, where is my insert statement? Okay, so right now we saw only one the manifest file, right? Let's run, right? Okay. Let's run, okay, we added, right? And then let's run one more. Now let's look at previously after the rewrite, we see only one manifest. Now let's see how many manifest files. Here, three manifest files, like the exactly like this. Right now, showing the three manifest files. But if I combine one more time, right? And let's combine again, call the procedure, right? Let's call the procedure one more time. Now it's going to combine three files into one file. Okay, look at this. It's going to come three files into one file. And now if I run the again manifest metadata file, metadata table, it's one. So this procedure, this process basically helping you, combining, then you're reading only one file. So you open, read, close. So faster read, okay, and then easy to faster to create a one combine all these small mini manifest files into big manifest file. Maybe sometimes it may be multiple manifest file. Then depends on you can size out your manifest. But definitely this is a query performance process. You have to do rewrite the manifest. So keep in mind, rewrite manifest more often, and then if you want to rewrite the data files, you do by location. You don't run the entire data file rewrites for the entire table. That's very expensive, costly. I will walk through that the rewrite data files procedure in the next block. Okay. So we talked about all these things and then demo. So thank you all. Thanks for joining. And then if you have any questions, reach out to me. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye now.